Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos. On this week's Texture Thursdays with Oak by Betina, who was up before me, I'm going to create a textured leaf stenciled background for a future palette knife sculptured flower that I'm going to make in next week's episode. Can you guess what kind of flower I'm going to make next week? Leave the comment down below. Welcome my dear friends and welcome back to Taslima Maya Art. This is Taz. Great to see you here, and hopefully you would have seen on Texture Thursdays Betty, who was up before me on Oak by Betina. If you missed her, please do go back and watch. She created something so beautiful, floral outcome, texture outcome, so please do go and have a look. The link for her is in my description box below. Thank you. So today, what am I doing? Something a bit fun and different. I'm going to be doing a new flower, but this is a two-part series. This is part one, and I'll be doing part two when I'm going to create these beautiful flowers. I wonder if you can take a guess. But I'm excited because it's a different kind of flower to what I normally attempt to make. So we are going to do a textured piece again. In part one today, I'm just going to be doing the background. Now, first of all, you can see an acrylic pour or fluid art background here. It's a lovely marbled effect, and I really, really like it. You will see in a future video how I created this effect, and that's coming up soon. It's on a wooden heart, which is relatively thick. I'll be painting the sides of that, obviously, in grey. And I've put a little sort of hanger on the back, and so that you can hang it, and I'm popping it down here. So I'm going to show you what my products are today. So we've got the Viva Structure paste. I'm going to be mixing that with some opaque Pebbio green earth. That's going to be mixed together, hopefully create the paste that I need for this. I'm going to use a stencil for the background. So initially I'm going to do the leaves, the vines and the background using a stencil that I purchased from Amazon. And I'm going to put down the gel gloss first of all to seal that stencil so that there's hopefully no bleeding from my texture paste, which I will apply then on top. Anyway, you'll see what I mean when I get going. So I just want to quickly show you what my stencil looks like. It's super beautiful, and it's going to be a lovely background for the flowers that I'm intending to place on top, the texture flowers. So there's that. I just want to quickly show you something I was working on behind the scenes for another project. These are my beautiful little air dry clay butterflies that I've created. So these butterflies I've hand painted and put some beautiful colour art pigment on top, and I'm going to be spray varnishing those before I apply them to the final project. But I wonder if you can guess which project that one's for. I'll put that aside. Let's get on with it. So let's get some structure paste out of this tub to begin with. And I will speed the rest of this up for you so you're not waiting too long. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed any particular part of this video, do engage with my video. It really helps me. And just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. I always answer all of my comments or respond to them on my channel. See you on the other side. I hope you enjoy.
I know you've been hurt, I know that you're trying. The boss is complaining, your phone's always ringing. Outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel them, the electric feelings. You and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, so close your eyes. Feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid,
we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could unfurl? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. You were made to soar amongst the clouds, but never learn to rise above these crowds. Stuck in the dust of the life that you find.